Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn a very powerful feature of PowerPoint which not many of us know. So here I am going to insert a screen recording to my presentation. But you may ask that we could do it even in the past. But previously we used to record, keep it in our local storage, and then attach the video file, thus consuming a lot of time. But now you can directly record your screen and just insert in the PPT in two simple steps. So for that, let us click on Insert. In Insert, you can see the last option is called Screen Recording. Let me click on Screen Recording. So when you click on Screen Recording, something like this comes. You can select your own area. So let me click on Select. Suppose I want to record this much. I don't want to record this health, privacy and terms. I just want to record this space. So, and also I want to have the mouse pointer recorded. So I've clicked on this. Now let me click on record. So, so I'm recording all of this. Okay. So this is something that I wanted to record. So I'll just now take my mouse cursor at the top. So this modal will open. You can stop recording. So as soon as you stop recording, the recorded file will come to your PPT. Now you can change the shape of this, like how you do for shapes, and you can also have put a border. Let me put a blue border. You can have attach weights to it or whatever formatting you want to do. And now let's see how it works. This is how the video is being played. Thank you guys for watching this video.